How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. The first method is in-person at branch. Chase customer can exchange or order foreign currency at their local Chase branch. It's best to call ahead to ensure the specific currency is available and to confirm if there are any fees. The second option, to order online. Some Chase accounts may allow you to order foreign currency online, so you can check your Chase account options or contact customer service for more details. The third one is delivery or pickup. Chase typically offers the option to pick up the currency at a branch or have it delivered to your address. Delivery may involve shipping fees depending upon the amount you order or your account type. And remember to confirm the exchange rate and any associated fees, as this can vary. For a large transaction or specific needs, contacting your nearest Chase branch is highly recommended. And that's how you can order foreign currencies on Chase Bank. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.